action.
So this is a variation we're going to do on a ponytail bun style. It looks like a bun, but then there's some hair free for kind of an in-between. So I'm going to squish the flower in the middle, and then it flattens in half. You just squish it till it clicks. You can bring the sides down, and you can leave one up if you like it down. Do it down. Set the flower over the hair. And then the pins hold it in. Those pins, you're going to stick it through the middle, underneath the hair tie. Straight down under all the hair is what makes it stay.
So now say, let me show that again, and I'll do super slow motion on the head. We can cut all this out.
Let me show that again.
Wait a minute. Ready, go.
Let me show that again.
Now take the hair out. Okay, now set it right on top of there. Set it right on top. Put the stems in an X.